Hello, I'm Diksha Vaiti, working as an intern at Pixel Apps.
With many big and small businesses taking their marketing a step ahead, companies have now started to develop mobile apps for their brands or business. If you don't have an app yet, it's time you should now seriously consider developing an app for your brand or business. So let us now assume that you have decided to build an app. There are many things that have to be taken into consideration before you start developing your app. But the first and the most important step is deciding the platform you want to build and launch your app on. Deciding between Android and iOS is the first essential decision that you have to make. But deciding between the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store is not an easy task. Why? Because both the operating systems are very different from each other. Both of them have their own pros and cons. Here are some important factors to help you decide which platform to choose from both. First, demographics. Demographics can be really crucial in helping you decide the platform. The demographics can help you understand the number of Android or iOS users around the world. You have to first decide your target audience, and then with the help of demographics, you can choose the operating system of your preference. Second, programming language. Both Android and iOS apps are built using different programming languages. Android apps are built using Java. Java is the most popular and widely used programming language in the world, but requires very long codes. Kotlin can be used as an alternative to Java, as Kotlin is easier to read and is also very efficient. On the other hand, iOS apps are built using Objective-C language. Swift was then launched as an alternative to the Objective-C language. Third, time and cost. If we are to look at the time required to develop any app on either of the platforms, then both the platforms take almost the same time to develop apps. However, the testing of the apps is what takes up the most time. As the Android platform is more flexible, testing of the app on many devices with a huge variety in screen size and resolution takes a lot of time, whereas iOS takes a lot less time in the testing as it is not that flexible when compared to Android. Due to this, the overall cost of the app development is more of Android than iOS. Also, check out our other video on how the app is approved on the Play Store or the App Store to know about the app approval process of both the platforms to help you decide between Android or iOS. Now here are some pros and cons of the app development on the Android and iOS platforms. First, Android. Now here are the pros. The Android OS is an open system. Android is more flexible as developers can utilize various frameworks and plugins. Google provides guidelines in terms of design which help in creating pleasing layouts. Fragmentation. Android allows creating apps for a wider range of hardware such as wearables, streaming devices, TVs, in-car systems, and more. Cons. Fragmentation can be both an advantage and a disadvantage too. This is because with so many different hardware, screen sizes and specifications comes many challenges and much more work to do. The testing of many versions of the apps on the available devices is a time-consuming process. Due to fragmentation and testing limitations, the overall cost of the app development is increased. Second, iOS. Now coming to iOS. Pros. The profit earned by iOS apps are much higher than Android apps. iOS is a closed platform and hence is more steady and easy to use. There are only 20 different types of iOS mobile devices. Hence the fragmentation, screen size and resolution is not that significant. Cons. The Apple App Store has a very strict guideline. This increases the chances of rejection of your app. iOS is a less flexible platform and hence reduces the customization feature. iOS has a smaller market share when compared to Android. Now coming down to the conclusion, there is no clear winner between Android and iOS. This is because both the platforms have almost equal positive and negative aspects. There are many factors to be evaluated and looked upon before deciding the platform. One must carefully study the market trends and research a lot before starting to build an app. After all, the final decision lies in the hands of the company. Which platform are you using? Android or iOS? Do let us know in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching the video. If you're looking for a professional mobile app development company, do check out Pixel Labs. The link is given in the description box down below.